And let's continue.
Alright, I'm going to remove this screw here so we can get this at the perfect size.
So if you didn't get what all part 1 was about, we used up a bunch of time, so I decided to make a part 2 to make it easier for you. And so we just pretty much disassembled this radio to figure out why it was arcing and redirect the bad wire.
Yeah, so now we're trying to get this wire here, to be the right size of a circle, provide maximum capacity. So we just need to spin its roll round, right round, ooh baby. Sorry, I grew up like years ahead of my time.
Behind your time.
Yeah, behind, not ahead.
I don't even know what modern newest like future music looks like. Alright, whatever.
Honestly, with the direction music is going now, this year just because I like Woodstock's music and such. Which is, music's going to go downhill.
Yep. Alright, let's go ahead and screw this back in.
Yep. Yeah, fingers. I need pivots. This reminds me of when I was paying petrol today. What? I put in petrol today.
Alright.
Yeah, I ended up having to do it so awkward like. I ended up getting it right on the cent by milliliter, is it? It's in this country?
Yeah.
Wait, no, this here's America. It uses gallons.
Good day. We are Toronto suburbs. No, we're closer to Chicago. I can just do good Canadian accents.
Yeah, isn't that because you claim your family's from there?
It's actually because of my great-grandfather. He lived there for a good time of his life.
That does not make your bloodline Canadian.
I know, but we're partially...
Using that logic, you could say, I'm European.
We are European, by the way.
Yeah, worse. So we're going to now see if this works. Should we test this upside down or right side up? Do you think it makes a difference?
No, but I'd rather do it the other way.
Well, right side up?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's get this panel in first. There we go. All hooked up like. Now up and swing. With that over. Going. Yep. Button there to hold that up for better visuals for you guys. That looks nicer when I start leaning forward about to do a roll.
Yep.
Okay. Wire into the outlet. That's just conveniently right below it.
And let's go ahead and turn her on.
Now, let's put that one there.
That's the on one.
Wait for it to warm up.
That's EMF on one, by the way.
That one there?
Yeah. The button you're using.
Wait, that button's supposed to...
Only because you can see that little remnants of a little white dot to tell you which one you're at.
Do you realize that you kept that under upside down? Alright. This reminds me of setting up one of them really old antennas. You know, FX position. Pause.
Yep.
If you breathe, you use signal.
So here we go. We can sort of pick up the station I like, which when you bring it in my room, I bet we could pick it up better. So here we go.
When we haven't had storms in the day.
Yeah. So there we go. We have fixed our radio.
For the most part.
For the most part, by redirecting everything.
Okay.
And
I just set that to the...
So let's go ahead and put her back together.
AM frequency? Yep.
Yeah. We should hook up this one for the AM.
God, that did not run both.
Yeah. Oh, it does?
Yeah, God, because we were running on both frequencies.
Yeah.
Because the wire itself is an FM and
if we wanted to get really good signal, we would put that one for both
frequencies.
frequencies.
It's hooked up into the AM frequency.
Uh-huh.
And it's an FM wire, therefore automatically you can read both.
Ah, yep, that would do it. So, this is cool how she slides back in here. Look.
Yep, just like an old Zeppelin docking. Boy, I'm outdated.
Yeah, you are. No offense. Well, wait. Before we want to do this, let's make a cleaning video and cleaning out the back and stuff. So you've seen how it puts together. Let's go ahead and end to this video. This is Awesome Toe 21 here, along with Skeleton Key.
See y'all later, folks.
And that's all, folks, with this old 1947 Zenith radio.
Isn't that copyright?
Within the endus, we now bring it to MGM for the That's All, Folks quote. Miracle Melodies. Sorry about that. He knows all of it. All right.
Yeah, I'm just simply old that way.
All right. There we go. This is the end of the end. Goodbye.